Where's all my girls? Come on, girls. We just want to remind you all tonight, because so many of us on this stage are from this city, and we know what it's like to be in your shoes. We want you to remember never to give up on your dreams and never to give up on the person that you know you can become. I don't do this for the money. I don't do it for the fame. If they took it all away tomorrow, as long as I'd have all of you, I'd be A-okay. Give yourself prudence and love your friends. Subway kid, rejoice your truth.